You cracked the throttle, it's like pop, pop, pop.
Dude, this bike is the best bike ever, dude.
Hey everybody, this is Jeff. Welcome to the Adventure Jeff 269 YouTube channel. For those of you unfamiliar with the channel, I just do a lot of motorcycle stuff. The majority lately has been dirt biking and enduro riding with friends, mostly in Michigan, although I did ride Hatfield McCoy this year. Plan to do a lot more big trips soon. I got a short video for you guys today. Me and a couple buddies out here riding Tin Cup ORV Trail. Tin Cup is an ORV route in Michigan. It's in Luther. It has a 24-inch motorcycle-only single track and an ORV route for full-size vehicles, side-by-sides, four-wheelers, and all that stuff. We're riding the single track here. It's right about 20.5 miles long, I think. It's a nice, short, medium ride. We did this ride on November 14th. It was pretty cold, but in Michigan we had no snow, so we figured we'd go for it. I think it was about 40 degrees, if I remember correctly. I would rate this trail as like medium difficulty for Michigan. It has some elevation climbs, nothing too steep, nothing too scary. It does get sort of tight here and there. It's got some rocks, maybe some ruts across the trail. We didn't run into any mud. It's got some whoops if you don't like those, or if you do, I guess, and the ever-present Michigan sand. So yeah, I would say, you know, anybody could ride this trail from beginners all the way to advanced riders and have a good time. It's nice and short. You could do a couple laps in a day, probably no big deal. If you were paying attention to the intro, you may have noticed I was on a 4-stroke in one of the clips. We had a huge assortment of bikes on this ride, 2 DRZ 400s, a CRF 250L, my YZ250X, 2020 WR 450, a CRF 450, and even a TTR 125. One of my buddies offered me to ride his WR 450. I wanted to check that out, so I took it for a couple quick laps and let a few people ride the YZ. Needless to say, they all loved the YZ.
Dude, this bike is the best bike ever, dude.
Half of our group got there a little earlier than we did, and we wanted to meet up with them, so we made sure to ride the loop in the opposite direction they did so that we could say hi. We met up about 8 miles in, and then again in the parking lot where we did the bike swapping ride, and that was a blast. I rode the WR 450, and I just could not believe the intake noise that bike makes. It's just really creating a lot of noise where you wouldn't think it would be coming from.
I guess this is as good a spot as any.
Hey, it's Adventure Jeff.
What's happening?
Oh, nothing.
We passed Lucas a while back.
Yeah. Nice. Is this your first time around?
Yeah, we just got here.
Yeah, you're gonna go down kind of a good one, back up, and then you're at the top of a big ass sandy hill climb.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, I like sandy hill climbs.
So from here on out, I'm just going to let the video play out and you folks can just enjoy the sweet music of the YZ. If you hang out a few more minutes, you'll see some WR 450 footage and the rest of the loop. Stay tuned for a Christmas special coming in a few days. I got a little surprise planned there for you guys. And if you enjoyed the channel, please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video as much as I enjoy making it. And have a great day. I'll see you guys on Christmas.
Two strokes for everybody.